Hi, good evening.
Yeah, good
Yes,
evening.
welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I can hear voice and I can see you. Yes.
Okay, that's great. Is this Hero? How do we call you? By the way, my name is Eric. What's your name?
Okay. My name is Keitaro. Please call
Keichiro.
me K.
K.
Only K.
Okay,
Yeah.
K. Nice to meet you today, K.
Nice to meet you, Eric.
Yes, so how are you doing today, K?
I'm fine, but I'm a bit sleepy. Bit
Oh
sleepy?
yeah, it's already 9, almost 10 o'clock there, right?
Yeah.
Ah, that's
Almost 10
why.
o'clock.
Okay, you can sleep after this lesson, okay? All right, so let's start. I can see here it shows TOEIC Test 600, Part 2, 1 to 5. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so let's start. So today we're going to study listening Part 2. All right,
Okay.
so let's start with question number 1. So please check the Japanese instruction.
Okay, I read
It's
it
okay?
and
All right.
I'm ready.
All
Okay.
right, so let's listen to the audio now. Please listen carefully and choose the right answer, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Do you understand that map I drew for you?
A,
It seems pretty clear.
B,
I do too.
C,
That's not true at all.
All right.
I think A. Do you understand? It seems pretty clear.
It
A.
seems pretty clear A is the correct answer. Very good. That's right. All right. Let's have sentence, each sentence, okay?
Okay.
Now, let's oh, you're done with the instruction. It's okay. So let's have
Okay.
the question. All right. So please repeat exactly after the audio. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So please listen. Here we go.
Do you understand that map I drew for you?
hmm
Do you understand the map I drew for you?
Yes. Yeah, that's right. Very good. Yeah, one try. First try is correct. Very good. All right. Please check. Is everything clear? Are you familiar with all the words in that sentence?
Yes, everything is clear and
Very
I'm
good.
familiar with forwards. Okay.
Okay, that's great. Now let's have answer A. Okay, so please listen and repeat to the audio. Here we go.
Okay.
A,
It seems pretty clear.
Uh-huh.
Okay. It seems pretty clear. Okay.
Perfect. Very good. Yes. All right. It seems pretty clear. Nice. Okay, let's try. Let's do the role play here, okay? So I'll
Okay.
ask you a question and you'll say the answer. We'll do it two times is enough, okay? So let's have,
Okay.
do you
Okay.
understand that map I drew for you?
It seems pretty clear.
All right, one more time. Do you understand that map I drew for you?
It seems pretty clear.
Very good. Okay, let's have number 9. Let's listen to the whole question again. Here we go.
Do you understand that map I drew for you?
A,
It seems pretty clear.
B,
I do too.
C,
That's not true at all.
All right, so
Oh.
question 1 is finished here. Now let's move on to question 2.
Okay.
All right, so let's listen again to the audio. Please listen carefully and choose the right answer. Here we go.
Okay.
What did Jack say about the meeting?
A,
No, not yet.
B,
Only once.
C,
Not a thing.
Mm-hmm.
What else? A. No, not A.
What did Jack say about the meeting?
What Jaxi?
Jack say.
Jaxi. I don't know Jax. I don't understand Jaxi.
Jack say. What did
Jack.
Jack say
What
about
did
the...
Jaxi? Okay,
Hmm.
okay. What did Jaxi? Okay, okay. That's C. Not A.
Letter C is the best answer, not a thing. Very good. Okay. All right. So this time, let's have each sentence question. So please listen and repeat exactly after the audio. Here we go.
What did Jack say about the meeting?
What did Jack? what did Jack say about the meeting? Right?
Yes, what did Jack say about the meeting? Very good. Okay, is everything clear?
Everything clear. Yes,
Okay,
that's
very good. That's right. Now let's move to the next. Let's have answer C.
okay.
Okay, please listen again and repeat after the audio. Here we go.
C,
Not a thing.
Okay, okay. Not saying. Not saying. Okay, I see, I see.
Mm-hmm. Not
Not, not a thing.
not a
thing.
thing. There is a, right? That's right. Not a thing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's do the role play. Okay, are you ready?
Sorry. I don't need role play, so
Okay,
just
that's
skip
good.
role play. Okay.
Okay, yes, yes, yes. All right. All right, so let's listen to the whole question again. All right? Okay, here we go.
What did Jack say about the meeting?
A,
No, not yet.
Mm-hmm.
B,
Only once.
C,
Not a thing.
Okay, so question 2 is finished here. Now let's move on to question 3. Okay, please listen and choose the right answer. Here we go.
Okay.
How was your weekend?
A,
The same as always.
B,
Extremely.
C,
You said it.
Okay, that is your answer.
I think A. The same
Hey, yes, very good. How was your weekend? The same as always. That's right. Very good. All right, so let's have each sentence. So please listen and repeat exactly after the audio. Here we go.
Okay.
How was your weekend?
Mm-hmm.
How was your weekend?
Very good. Yes, that's right.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend? That's great. How was your weekend? All right, let's have sentence A. Please listen and repeat after the audio. Here we go.
Okay.
A,
The same as always.
The same as always.
The same as always. Very good. All right, let's listen to the whole question again. Here we go.
How was your weekend?
A,
The same as always.
Mhm.
B,
Extremely.
C,
You said it.
Okay, so question 3 is finished here. Let's move on to question number 4. Please listen and choose the right answer. Here we go.
Okay, okay.
Is anyone sitting here?
A,
Sure, why not?
B,
No, have a seat.
C,
What a surprise.
All right, what is your answer?
B. No. Have a seat. Right?
B, no, have a seat is correct. That's right. That's great. Very good. Now let's have each sentence. Let's listen to the question and repeat exactly. Here we go.
Is anyone sitting here?
Is anyone sitting here?
That's right. Very good. Is anyone sitting here? Good. Let's have answer B. Please listen. Here we go.
B,
No, have a seat.
No. Have a seat. Right?
No, have a seat. That's right. That's correct. Very good. Okay. Now,
Sorry. I have a
yes.
question.
Yep.
The seat is
Yes.
is the seat empty? Empty?
Yeah.
No, no, no. The
Have a seat.
Is, the seat is available, right?
Yeah. Just like sit down. Just like sit down. The seat is available,
Okay,
of
okay.
course. That's right. Okay, then let's listen to the whole question again. Here we go.
Is anyone sitting here?
A,
Sure, why not?
B,
No, have a seat.
C,
What a surprise.
All right, so it's really available, right? Okay, so question 4 is finished here. So let's move on to question 5. All right, please listen carefully and choose the right answer. Okay, here we go.
May I help you?
A,
Yes, I can.
B,
Yes, let's.
C,
Not right now, thanks.
See, not right now, thanks.
Very good, very good. That's the correct answer.
Not
Not right now.
Not right now, thanks.
Thanks. Yeah, not right now. Thanks. Very good. All right, so let's move to the sentence. Please listen and repeat exactly after the audio. Here we go.
Okay.
May I help you?
May I help you?
May I? Did you mention I?
May I help you?
That's right. Very good. Very good. Yes, that's correct. May I help you? Okay, let's have answer C. Please listen. Here we go.
C,
Not right now, thanks.
Not right now, thanks. Right?
Thanks. Let's say it again. Thanks.
Not right now, thanks.
Thanks. All right. Not right now. Thanks. Very good. Okay, so let's listen to the whole question again. Here we go.
May I help you?
A,
Yes, I can.
B,
Yes, let's.
C,
Not right now, thanks.
Yes. Very good. Good job with this one because it's a little bit confusing. A and B, it seems like it's an answer because it's saying yes, right? Saying yes, but actually they're not the correct answer. Very good. I thought you will miss this one, number five, but you did a great job in this. Okay, now let's review the lesson. Wow.
Sorry.
Mm.
I want to continue next lesson.
Yep.
So
Let's
okay.
proceed to the next lesson, okay?
Don't
No need to
review.
review. Okay, okay, okay.
Review. Sorry.
Yes, that's okay. All right.
And I choose and I send you. Sorry, please.
Mm,
Uh,
this one?
part three. Yeah, no. Part three. Q1 to 4.
Part
three.
3.
Can you see?
Yeah, Q1 to 4. Yes, okay. Yeah, I can see that. All right. Okay, all right. So I can see it now. So today we're going to study listening part 3. All right, so let's start with question number 1. Okay, so please listen carefully. There is the conversation. Please listen. Here we go.
Can you make change for this?
I'm sorry, we have a policy not to change bills for customers.
Here, I'll have this gum then.
All right, so do you want to listen? Oh, you want to answer. Okay, so your answer is A. At a store is correct. Very good. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so now let's move to 1 to 2 each sentence. So listen to each sentence with blanks. Let's start with the first sentence. Okay, please listen. Here we go.
Can you make change for this?
Can you make change for this?
Mm.
Can you make change?
Yes, can you make change? Yes. Can you make change for this? All right, very good. That's right. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Everything.
All right, so let's proceed to the second sentence. Please listen again. Here we go.
I'm sorry, we have a policy not to change bills for customers.
I'm sorry, I have a policy not to change bill for customers.
Not. Mhm.
I'm sorry, we have a policy not to change bills for customers.
That's right. Okay, so policy not to change bills, right? So the missing words are policy not to change bills.
Yes.
Very good, very good. Okay, now let's have the third sentence. Please listen. Here we go.
Here, I'll have this gum then.
Here, I'll have this then. No. This is difficult. So please replace all.
Okay, please listen again. Here we go.
Here, I'll have this gum then.
Here, I'll have this gum then.
Yeah.
I'll have this. I'll buy this gum. No, I'll have this gum then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll have this gum then, right?
I'll have this gum then. Yes. So maybe the gum is available there. You just get the gum and take it. Maybe something like that because there was a policy. Cannot change. All right. Yeah, we don't know actually what's the real situation, why he said that. All right. Let's move to 1 to 3, the whole sentence. Okay. Okay. So let's listen. This time it's faster.
Can you make change for this?
I'm sorry, we have a policy not to change bills for customers.
Here, I'll have this gum then.
All right.
Okay.
Now let's listen to the normal speed. Okay.
Okay.
Can you make change for this?
I'm sorry, we have a policy not to change bills for customers.
Here, I'll have this gum then.
All right. Is everything clear now?
Yes, everything.
Okay.